Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn off stolen device protection if you're on your iPhone iOS 26. If your Face ID isn't working properly, then how you can turn off the stolen device protection. So if you want to do that, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And if you are using data connection, then you have to make sure that your data is working properly. You can also restart your Wi-Fi router. And the next thing you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general. And after that, you have to scroll down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now you have to look for the Face ID and passcode option, and here you have to click on that. Now you have to make sure that you remember your passcode. Now if your Face ID isn't working, then you have to try to fix that, which means if you want to change stolen device protection condition, then you have to make sure that your Face ID isn't working. Now we will try to turn off the stolen device protection without Face ID. So if you try to change the stolen device protection, so here is the option available. So there are two options available. So it is written that this add another layer of security to your iPhone in the event that it is stolen and someone knows your passcode. Which means if your iPhone is stolen and someone knows your password and try to change the passcode and any security setting, then it will be always on and your stolen device protection is on. And moreover, if you try to turn off the stolen device protection, there is always comes the security delay, and here is the option available. It will ask for the Face ID also. So which means if you try to change the stolen device protection or want to turn it off, then you have to make sure that your Face ID is working. Otherwise you will not be able to turn off the stolen device protection because it always asks for your Face ID. Moreover, there are two options available and for required security delay. The first one is away from the familiar location, and the second one is always, which means if you are at a familiar location, that it will not ask for security delay if you want to turn off the stolen device protection or if you want to change any passcode or security settings. But if you are away from the location, then it will ask for security delay as you turn off the stolen device protection, and it will ask for your Face ID. And here is written you have to wait for 1 hour, so you have to set an alarm for 1 hour, and after that you have to simply turn off the stolen device protection. Otherwise you will not be able to turn off the stolen device protection without Face ID. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.